The swan goose, Anser Cygnoides, also known as the wild goose or black-billed goose, is a large waterfowl belonging to the genus Anser in the family Cygnoides, order Anseriformes. It is a large species, measuring about 0.8–0.9 meters in length, with a bill length of 7.5–10 centimeters, wingspan of 37–47 centimeters, tail length of 10–16 centimeters, and weight of 2.85 kilograms. Males and females look similar, though the male has a wart-like knob at the base of the upper bill, which is much less noticeable in females, who are slightly smaller in size. Adult plumage is generally dark brownish-gray from the base of the forehead, crown, to the back of the neck, with a narrow whitish stripe between the bill and the forehead. The sides of the head, chin, and throat are light brownish-gray, and two dark brown stripes run along the base of the bill. The back, shoulders, lower back, upper wing coverts, and tertials are lead gray to dark gray-brown, with paler or whitish edges forming distinct white patches or bars. The tail feathers are gray-brown, upper tail coverts are dark gray-brown, and the undertail coverts are white, with the longest upper coverts being pure white. The front and sides of the neck are white, fading to cinnamon or light buff on the lower neck and breast, and gradually becoming white on the belly. The flanks are dark brown with pale edges, and the underwing coverts and axillaries are dark gray. The iris is reddish-brown to golden yellow, the bill is black, and the legs and feet are orange-yellow to flesh red. Juveniles are covered in down feathers, with the forehead and cheeks pale yellow, the area around and in front of the eyes grey-brown, and the upper parts grey-brown with yellowish feather shafts. The underparts are yellow, fading towards the rear. Swan geese are gregarious, migratory birds, usually seen in small flocks of 30–50 individuals. They are shy and alert, often foraging in the evening or at night. While resting, a few individuals typically act as sentinels, keeping watch from higher ground and giving alarm calls when danger approaches, prompting the flock to take flight. In flight, they stretch their necks forward, tuck their legs under the body, and often form a V or wedge-shaped formation. Their calls are loud and distinctive, audible from several kilometers away. They undergo molt between June and July, during which they lose the ability to fly temporarily. Swan geese are omnivorous, feeding mainly on herbaceous plant leaves, buds, reeds, algae, and crops, but also consume small amounts of crustaceans and mollusks. They inhabit open plains and grasslands near lakes, ponds, rivers, estuaries, marshes, and coastal areas, particularly preferring places rich in aquatic vegetation. Their main distribution includes Eastern and Central Asia, such as China, Russia, Mongolia, Korea, and Japan. Swan geese are monogamous, forming lifelong pairs. The breeding season occurs from April to June, mainly in Siberia and northeastern China. Males court females through calls and feather displays before pairing. Nests are usually built on the ground near lakes, marshes, reed beds, or riverbanks, often in concealed areas. The species breeds once per year, laying 4–9 eggs per clutch. Eggs are white and oval-shaped when first laid, but gradually become brownish during incubation. The incubation period lasts about 28–30 days, with both parents sharing duties of incubation and chick rearing. After hatching, parents lead the young to swim and feed in shallow waters or rest, and forage along sandy shores and grassy banks. The young become capable of flight after about 3 months, reach sexual maturity at 2–3 years, and have an average lifespan of around 20 years. It is estimated that the global population of swan geese is around 60,000–90,000 individuals, and the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, lists the species as endangered.